Discrimination is when someone is treated differently, unfairly, in the same scenario from the rest of the team. Yeah, and mainly two types of discrimination. I'll say there's one that occurs directly to the individual, which is a direct discrimination. So the action happens very much directly from one person to the other. And then there is systematic or structural discrimination, whereby um, the discrimination happens through a system whereby it is designed to impact a certain group of people. So policies are made that will impact certain group or deny certain group of people access to some resources.
For young people, you don't want to cloud their minds. So I will start by bringing in to celebrate diversity, because by so doing, you are not really going to the negative side. You have to make the young one knows that to explain differences in the family, differences in culture, in race, and differences in everything they do. So by so doing, you will let them know that if like a the color I have and another person is a white person, we are the same. God created us the same, but that we have differences in our background, in our culture, in our race, and we do things differently. Because at times when you do things, they might think it is actually discriminating from each other, but not knowing that it is where we come from. This is how we behave, and that is how it happens like that. So don't dwell in the negativity, but instead bring in the positivity into it so that they will grow with that. Thank you.
I'll give two simple examples that a young person probably get um, challenged with. In a classroom setting, for instance, a young person might be asked, how did you learn to be so articulated considering the background that you have? Or can I touch your hair? So, how best to address that situation is for a young person to set boundaries, starting by asking um, what the person mean by that. And that's number one. In that way, it allows that person to address their biases and also inform them that they do not want to be treated as a museum. And in so doing, they understand that there should be boundaries. And so they don't need to challenge the situation, but address the situation. Thank you.